Hello guys, my name is Yetundeadejo and I'm a creative entrepreneur who lives and works in Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria. Last year I had plans to travel but I couldn't, and then the idea came to me that I should travel my city, get to see and explore places I've never been to, even whilst living in Abuja, and that's how this series came about. I live in Karu, and that will be my focus for this video. I hope you really enjoy it, because I did. I enjoyed producing, creating and editing the video. Thank you. So the FCT has, I think, 6 area councils, and Abuja is one of them, and Karu is within the Abuja Area Council. Don't mistake Old Karu for New Karu. New Karu is in Nasarawa State. Old Karu is in Abuja. Karu, it's a suburb just at the tip or the edge of the FCT. It's at the foot of a range of hills, has lots of schools and 1 or 2 restaurants. Okay.
Five.
Thank you.
6.
No, I used to ask for coffee. Eh?
12.5.
I'm sorry, please. Fine, how much for your day?
500, 1,000. I beg you, my police, come and rest, my love.
This your carrot looks so nice.
Thank you very much. Carrot 500. Okay. Hello, what do you want? I want a feet. One carrot.
Sorry, how much is the carrot? 500. I'll take how many? Oh, it's more vegetable. One pear, one carrot. A little too good. Good morning. Well done. How much?
My face fresh here.
Now. This one is 1,000. Okay, I'll take one of these. Okay. Go there. I have a lot to even film. Yes. This one is anise. Star anise, yes.
This anise.
Okay. Akwe flaxseed.
Flaxseed.
That one, ba?
Down fennel seed.
Fennel seed. Okay.
Where will I get a minute? Yeah, so they can do that. When you're not just what about the balance.
within the week. Today is the birthday celebration. The colors are gold, black or gold or white. I only have black options, so that I put for my wardrobe. So I'll try all of them and see which one fits. It's black tie. Yeah. First one I'll try is this one. Intend pairing it with this cropped jacket from Mango. This house horizontal. on the hike and on our way to the waterfall. We don't know exactly where to go, but we're asking, we're trying to find out. I was completely unprepared for what I was about to see. I had been hearing about the waterfalls, but I didn't think it was going to be this high or that high.
Yeah.
I was so terrified. I mean, I didn't know what to think, where to go, what to look at. We were so high up, and I have a phobia for heights. And I had waited so long for this trip, so I couldn't turn back.
See people farming there.
Yes.
When I finally just put aside my fear of, heights, I began to really enjoy the view, and I was just in awe. It was breathtaking, the depths, the heights, the inclines. I was just looking, I was taking it all in, I was soaking it up, I was excited, I was astonished, I've never done anything like this. And I was just happy that I, was brave enough to go for it.
God is wonderful. All the way down there.
At this point, I could now begin to hear the sounds of the waterfall, rushing waters. I think we have been walking for like maybe 15-20 minutes, definitely more than 20, from the heights, the highest points, and we were descending. And the nearer we got, the more we could hear, the water.
I say I hear you. I hear you.
Sanu Baba.
You see him from there. You are him. You saw whether this one Owanbe or.
Okay.
The money will enter. That one will enter.
And you see a clearer view, but?
Hold my hand.
Yes, sir.
What?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh. Sir, don't go far. Oh. Come back, please.
Are you afraid?
Oh my God.
Let me get you there. Yeah, maybe I can.
I'm filming myself.
Okay.
See you.
At the foot of the hill by the waterfall is really, really cool, expectedly so. And it's just the wildest thing. Yeah, I'm just in awe of God and what He has created. I wasn't going to go close because in my research, someone talked about snakes and I wasn't going to go close. But the men that I was with, they took these videos and they sent it to me. So yeah, cool. So we're making our way back and it was fun.
We need to climb that place.
I even saw one man when we were coming. See those people over
We need
there.
to climb this place to that place, guys.
Sometimes they'll even be coming back in the night.
So the waterfall is on Google Maps, and once you get to Karu, you just head for the Federal Housing Estates.
Wonder how this
and
place
there's
is
a
in the dry
school. I
season.
think the school is a landmark, Bristol Academy. After that, you can just ask questions and you'll be able to find your way down there. I would suggest you come in a group. Before I came, there were fears that there would be like touts who would want to snatch your things, but I didn't meet anybody like that. But I was happy I came with two friends, yes, because I felt safer and more relaxed. Lastly, I noticed with pleasure that everywhere looked clean and neat, and I hope that it stays that way. There were no plastic bags, no water cellophane bags. Everywhere was clean and neat. So when you're coming on your hike, please do well to pick up after yourself. That's just what I'll say. The environment will thank you for it. Today I'll be visiting a hotel that opened about 2 months ago. From the exterior, I liked the color palette and just the way that everything was set up. So I'm excited to see what the inside looks like. My 3 guilty pleasures are shoes, yogurt, and boutique hotels. I don't know if this is a boutique hotel, but it's small, it's not big, and I would like to see what their lodgings look like, what their interiors, and even just what the decor gives. It's not sponsored, they don't know me. I'm just going by myself.
Yeah. No.
Excited for the pool because it's usually very hard to find swimming pools in Karu. And then I went in to check out the rooms. And you said this one is 30 a night?
Yes, that's
okay. I'll venture a guess and say the interior decorator is a man or is male, because it's very stark and austere with all the black and white tones, gray tiling, a bit of cream. I really like it. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sha, but oh, this is bigger. This is nice.
Yeah, this is the bigger one. It's just 2 categories.
Okay. And you said it's 45?
This one is 40,000.
40.
Yes.
Okay.
Why the other one downstairs is 30.
Oh, it's okay. Slightly bigger. It's okay.
It's nice. It depends on the setting. Some have a balcony, while this particular one doesn't have. No.
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily. Check this one.
Okay, this one.
And see this that has a balcony now, the room is not as wide as that
Yes,
one.
because the balcony takes up
Yes,
some
take a
space.
little space. It's just to stand for those that smoke.
Yeah. Oh
We don't
yeah.
smoke in our rooms.
Okay.
Even secrets.
Okay.
Stay by.
So you people are very particular.
Somebody might call from the room. You don't turn their order down because it's night.
Yes.
This is a hotel system now, so
That's good.
you get anything you want at any time.
And you like your job?
Of course. I love it, especially the time I'm working.
Yes.
48 hours is okay for me. I'm using the remaining 2 days to like do something else at home.
Yeah. But it looks a bit masculine. I'm fine with it. It's minimal, but not too minimal. I like the fact that there are touches of art in terms of the pictures on the walls, and then light colored wood, wooden furnishings. Yeah. I love that there are white sheets and they do not allow, guests to smoke in the rooms. The room smells fresh. I love that about the space, and I hope to visit and even stay. By the time I got home, I was really tired from all of my activities. The next day was rainy, and so I stayed in and cooked. And yeah, that's my vlog, my first weekend in Abuja vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, comment, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe. Thank you.